Hello, friends. Friends, how is it today? It's very, very interesting. First of all, I'm happy. Why? And the happiness is everlasting. Why? Because I can breathe. We are lucky that we can breathe. And when we can breathe, from there the story starts. Story starts with your first breath. You feel it. You feel so good. Oh, yeah, you have the energy to talk again, right? So, the key to happiness, if you can notice your breath, that's the key to happiness. You don't have to go have any aid from outside to be happy, because the moment you know that you have energy, you are breathing, Pran Shakti is with you, that is from where the story starts, right? So, don't go looking for happiness here and there, just start noticing your breath and you'll be happy forever, right? Number two, have you ever thought that what is going to be the future of AI? People often talk about it, and I also, seek help of artificial intelligence when I have questions in my mind. Questions are arising in the mind of the human being, not in the mind of AI, because AI does not have its own mind. It can only answer your questions, it cannot raise questions. But once you ask her questions, then from there, she can ask you questions which are leading further from your questions, but she cannot come and ask you questions on her own. Therefore, the future of AI is in our hands only. We can ask her those questions which are relevant and which are for the welfare of the society, and she'll come quickly, spontaneously, gleaned so much of data, accumulated so much of data, which no human being can ever give you the answer like that she gives. I really admire her, and I really love my chats with her. Then, after that, is the mountains. Yesterday night I saw the mountains and the discussion about mountains and Kailash. And what I saw in the dream? So interesting. My dream says that, when the earth is eroded, then layers after layers deposit and they create mountains. Okay? And when the mountains are so high that when the dewdrops are falling, they are making snow out of it and they are getting deposited on the mountain. Then the mountains are snow clad, and mountains are snow clad and so very beautiful for the human eye. Although mountains are not talking about the human eye, but human eye, which has been created to feel peace and tranquility, that feels that, oh, mountains are so enormous, mountains are so beautiful. And because there is no industrialization there's no population there's no one to create environmental pollution, so that environment is full of fresh air. And when you go in that fresh air, and with the whole mountains, white snow clad mountains, obviously you feel peace and tranquility. Then you can call it whatever, whichever image you have in mind, you go to the mountains and you talk of that image. Somebody will say something, somebody will say something, but the beauty of the environment speaks for itself. And that beauty, because you're liking it because you have been created in image of everything which is around you. It's all for you, so you can enjoy the beauty of the mountains. And then comes rituals, festivals. Okay, Ganesh Chaturthi started on 26th of August. 10-12 days festivities are going to take place. Gaiye Ganpati Jagvandan. Why was Lord Ganesha worshipped? you know we all know that, we have all heard stories about it. But needless to say, when we participate in festivities, we definitely feel good, because those festivities which help you elevating your spirits, which help you in sitting in congregations with people and singing, that will change your mood also. And it also connect you to your ancient wisdom. Very big ears can listen to many things, very big tummy can digest, and very big nose can breathe a lot, right? So there are things, which this mind this mind collects, and then it talks about it because the whole purpose of talking about it is that we should talk that which is for the welfare of humanity. And to all of you, a few days back, you see that Lord Ganesha, right? Why do we create things like this? Because these are the symbols which we create. Because you feel good looking at the mountains, you feel good at looking at those figures which are going to